Hey, I'm in school again, and the last time I did one of these was like 10 minutes ago. I was on about the bell that's in school, and it's like not a normal bell. It's like a weird, fucked up bell, and it's time for the bell. They should be gone, but it goes a minute late. I go to Afton Grange. Man. Should be tired. Prefect time, man. I bring prefect. Right, the bell should be gone soon, but I don't know when. But you listen to it. It's kind of fucked up, and not weird. It's weird as hell. And I keep on dropping my mic. At least I'm doing that. But what time is it now? It's 4 minutes past. Bell goes in 2 minutes. And now, here, look, listen to this. It's fucked up. It's one fucked up bell, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shauna's like knackered.
I got tired.
I was supposed to go to sleep in this hour, but then I never did it, so.
No, I'm signing out.
Look, it's Joe!
Joe, sign out me.
I want to sign out.
Are you staying up here?
No, I don't know.
Shan, sign
I'll
out
stay
me.
over if you want.
Okay. It's cool. I thought you wanted to go to Shane.
I'll tell them to come on.
Alright, true. Right, I'm going. Bye.
You're signing me out. I'm signing out with me.